It's more like कि अपना काम बनता तो भाड़ में जाए
जनता. Yes.
Okay.
आप स्नैक्स लेके बैठो, मैगी लेके बैठो, पॉपकॉर्न लेके बैठो. कि सेंड ओ शिट चला गया क्या मैसेज? Oh fuck, and then you're like कि रूम में तो कोई नहीं है, किसको बताऊं मैं? Sorry.
आप begun with the recording.
Hey guys, are we recording? It's Abhi Gamre. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Abhi Gamre, and this is kind of a new start on my YouTube channel. It's a podcast. I'm going to be talking about a few topics with my friend, and I'll let her introduce herself. This is Hetal.
Yes. So hello everyone. This is Hetal Guitar, and this is like Abhishek already said. This is something new that I am doing for the first time, and so is he. So let's just hope it turns out to be nice. Not to bore you all with a plain introduction. I feel let our words do the magic today.
Oh, yes. So, this is the first episode of the podcast, and it is about friendships. It's about friendships. We've got a bunch of questions for us to answer.
I think today we'll do the role reversal. Okay, you're usually the one who keeps asking questions, like a lot of questions to me. So today, what I'll do is I'll take over that part. So I'll be asking you questions, and both of us can have like a really nice discussion over it, because we both of us love talking. So yes. So,
all right.
Because
yes,
this is all about friendship. So let's stick up with a very basic question, like what is friendship to you?
Friendship to me is something that gives you hope. I think. Does it give you hope? That motivates you? Like, I don't know. I really don't know what's friendship. What is it for you? What is friendship for you?
It is being there for each other. Like my friends, I don't know about the positives, but they've always been there whenever I've had any negatives in life. So I feel friendship is about being there, understanding, never giving up on each other. And even if you do like saying, okay, you know, after 2 hours, you'll be like, Ajay, chup kar, bakwas kar, ban kar. If only I was not home, I would have said something else, but chup kar, pagal, come back. it is literally that way.
It's about supporting. It's about supporting.
Yes,
each
it's
other
not everything.
and
it is like the family you choose.
Oh yes, and this is actually really connected to my song 16. Nice plug.
I know, right?
I'm going to be talking about the song later.
So there's always been this thing, okay, about the right ones and the wrong ones. Okay, so what according to you will be your friends who are right for you, or how proud do you feel about yourself about choosing the right friends that you have? Right friends, I don't understand the meaning of right and wrong friends. Probably I to feel I'm the wrong one always.
No, it's there. No, it's there. It's how you take it, right? Like if I call you and I'll be like, hey, tere paas kaam hai, and you don't take my call, and you'll be like busy in some work, and it's just how you take it, right? Ki, I know that you're busy, but if I say that, oh, she's not taking my call, she's not replying, and that's kind of a wrong thing here, that you say कि ये तो मेरी friend है ही नहीं. This is a wrong friend. This is a right friend. No, it's not like that. It's just about time, right? And it's not about people.
I'm so okay. We're so opposite to each other. I feel right and wrong. There's nothing like right and wrong in friendships. There's only you would say a friend who's always there for you, and a friend who's there for the sake of being there. Because I feel when nobody to discuss and decide what's right and wrong. That is my take on it, definitely. But it's moreover like how, you know, people treat you and how you treat them back. I think that would be the rights and wrongs.
Exactly.
So are you prepared for the next question coming up your way? That is a 15-mark question, so you better elaborate it more.
Okay.
So this is something that I already spoke. Like the last two questions have been based on these two questions. Okay, I mean the upcoming questions. Okay, I'm so done with life that I'm mixing up my questions also. But yes, continuing. So what is being there for someone Like, how important is it?
Um, it's actually really very important, because if you wouldn't have been there for me when I called you, when I was crying last week, it's really important, because sometimes people really need people to talk to, and that's how it is important. Like, if you are there for somebody, you are really doing a great job, my friend. You're really doing something better than, just telling ki हाँ I'll be there for you. बोलने से नहीं होता है ना. You should be there to like talk to them and help them and support them.
Okay.
That's all. Like, it's
So
really important.
I think I'll do like cha cha, pat on my back.
That's
It's,
like,
but
is it
yes, I
like,
mean,
yeah,
yeah, yeah,
what's your
yes.
take on?
I feel being there is the most important thing for me, because I feel the friends that you really want to reach out to. Like for instance, I really looked up to somebody until few months back. I was like, oh my god, this person is always going to be there and all of it. And when I really needed that person at one point of time, it was like they disappeared. I won't say they disappeared, rather, even I did not approach them, but still, it was like they could see what's going on, but they, rather chose not to speak about it or not to have a take on it. So I feel those people really need a kick on their ass. I mean, that's about being there. Like, you really need to be there for
Right.
your friends. I mean, ब्रो इंस्टाग्राम पे कैप्शंस डालने से कुछ नहीं होता, स्टोरीज डालने से कुछ नहीं होता, ऐसे सार sorry, don't mind me on this, but people complaining on the internet saying oh my god, and then being like oh my god, I'm gonna be there for you and all of it, putting up caption stories absolutely makes no sense if you're really not there for your friends. And this is not only
But
for your
those are the
friends.
people who are not actually there for
Yeah,
anybody.
I mean,
But
I've
those are the
seen
people who
it.
are not there. Like,
I've seen it like,
yeah, I've experienced. Yeah, I've experienced.
oh my god.
That's all.
I would say I've kind of experienced, not completely, but yeah, I don't know, it could be a
Yeah,
misunderstanding too. So
maybe.
because we're talking about mean friends, so what do you think, like how would you deal with a friend who's really mean to you, or is there just for the sake of being there and they're like pretending to be your friend?
I have I've gone through a lot in this, because there are people who come just for the sake of it, and just to like get their work done. It's just like कि मैं आ जाऊंगा, you help me with my work, and मेरा काम हो गया तो I'll go. You know,
More
in
like a
this artist,
ouch. Okay, it's more like के अपना काम बनता तो भाड़ में
भाड़
जाए
में जाए जनता.
Lol.
It's just like that. It's just like कि अपना काम करके चले जाते हैं लोग, and then they
Okay.
come like कि oh how are you?
I
No,
know
that's
that.
not done, bro. You should be like good to people, क्योंकि इंसान ही तो है जो बात कर सकते हैं, जो connected
No
रह
way to
सकते हैं.
humanity there. But
I
yes,
mean, nowadays dogs and all the animals are better than humans, is what I feel.
I won't say animals are better than humans. Of course, I love
They
pets.
are,
I love animals, but
of course.
what I feel is that you really like जितना तुम complain करते हो ना, उतना तुमको किसी और के लिए भी होना चाहिए. Like if I am not being there for my friend and I'm always expecting them to be there for me, that is like a big turn off, because I can't
Right.
be like okay, you be there. So some people, okay, I have this tendency, I guess it's just my sun sign or something like that. It is my tendency, so I move
Okay.
away from people who drain my energy. So if you know me in personal life, I'm more of a happy to go person. Like I am really chirpy, but if I if I find somebody who's like constantly draining my energy, so instead of helping you out every time, I would rather move out, because I feel कि bro एक तो तू sad है, तू अलग देवदास है, and then you're making my life also go so numb. I'll run away. That
Yeah,
is
exactly.
weird. Like I can't deal with people who drain my energy. So I feel it is about it is about the give and take more
Yeah.
of it. Yeah. So
All right.
are you prepared? Are you prepared? The
Yes.
next question coming up
Oh,
is
yes. Yes. Yes.
okay. So the next question goes like,
Are there like a lot of questions? How
Yeah,
many are there? No,
you
we
just
can't
mentioned
count,
it,
right?
no? In the there are a bundle of
A
questions.
bunch. A bunch of questions. Guys, a
A
bunch.
bunch,
पूरा
like not a
bunch है.
bundle, a
आप snacks
bunch.
लेके बैठो, मैगी लेके बैठो, popcorns लेके बैठो.
I think it'll be fun, yeah. I say we're not talking some rocket science. We're just talking about friendship,
Right.
which is
Yeah,
nothing less
yeah.
than rocket science. But okay. So,
Yes. Okay.
um,
Move on to
okay.
next one.
So, do you have any regrets about saying something to a friend or a best friend?
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I think you also must be having some.
I have a lot of them. Yeah, I always regret whatever I say. I have super anxiety issues.
Oh, is it? So do I. I think everybody nowadays has it, right? Like
I mean,
all the
but
teenagers and the millennials
please
too.
don't talk about it. Anxiety को तो मजाक बना के रख दिया. मतलब every next person you be like, oh my god, I have anxiety. That's not anxiety. That's you just being
That's
scared.
not
Don't call it
funny.
anxiety.
Yeah.
Like
एंजाइटी तुम लोग ने अगर देख लिया ना तो तुम लोग घर छोड़ के चले जाओगे रोज कहाँ
I
पे
know, right?
पता नहीं.
I
Yeah,
mean,
and
I feel like two mental psychopaths talking to each other right now, giving the world some gyan. Like, take it for free.
I
Yeah.
forgot the question. Sorry, what was it?
Okay,
What was
so
the question?
it is about do you regret
Regretting,
saying, yeah,
regretting. Yeah,
saying stuff to your
I
friends?
do. There's a. I hardly have any friends first of all, क्योंकि काम ही वैसा है, you know. So you are always busy. I'm always busy like you. So काम की वजह से we don't have a lot of friends, and those who are there sometimes you ना hyper हो जाने के बाद ना you say something wrong, and then you send that message to the person, और आप ऐसा करते हो कि send oh shit चला गया क्या message, oh fuck, and then you're like कि room में तो कोई नहीं है किसको बताऊं मैं. That's what happens with me. And then I regret it every single day. I think there should not be any regrets in your life, but friendships में होते रहता है ना?
I like this
Have you
sending text wala part because that is what happens with me. But I'm very thankful to WhatsApp and Instagram in this case. You can fatak se delete that message if you have like instant regret.
sometimes they can read it ना, sometimes they can read it ना, delete कर दिया फिर भी read
If
कर लो वो
only
लोग.
you're so lucky that people look at your text एकदम ASAP. like ऐसे भेजा नहीं कि देख लिया. वही ठीक है. Take in. So I feel regrets. I have a lot of regrets because like you said, I lose my shit very often. I'm a short-tempered person, but I'm also very calm. So it depends on my mood. Okay, I'm also very moody. So I'm like putting out. What am I? What is Hetal Guitar? Moody. Yeah. Okay. Coming back to the
Yay.
question, it's more like what do you call it? I say things to my friends, but I also make sure I don't say too much to them. Like this is for friends, but when it's my best friends, if I tell them something, I mean it. So I feel they should understand it, and it is for their own good. Like sometimes I'm very blunt when it's about certain things. I mean, you must have known it by now. I'm pretty blunt when it comes to certain things.
Yeah,
So if you need to
yeah.
know it the right way, you need to know it the right way. I won't sugarcoat it for you. So I don't think I'll
Right,
regret
right.
saying those things, but yes, certain things definitely yes. So there are a
Yeah, and
few
that's
yeses
really
and nos.
important. That's really important.
Very important. Okay.
Okay.
So, have you ever had a big fight with any of your friends? Why is that even a question like you always keep having fights? But I want to know about your
You already know. You already know some of them. And you're the first person I call.
I'll pretend
Thank.
like I don't know anything. So tell me.
तो YouTube जो भी
Yes.
देख रहे हैं, I've actually had like a few fights with my friends, but there's this one which is like the biggest fight, which actually got me into trouble because I was like away from my friend for 5 months.
Okay.
Boom. And it's a she, of course, and she's a friend of mine ki matlab junior senior, you know, like kindergarten, you are there and suddenly you
Do you
fight
have friends
like a
from
small fight.
kindergarten being there with you, Abita?
That's what, you know, अरे
They would
मतलब
run away.
junior,
Yeah.
हाँ yeah, like yeah, and she's there and first of all I'm thankful that she's there, but हम लोग के बीच में ना it's we had like a fight, like a small fight, and then बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया, and then we didn't talk for 5 months, and I surprised her on the birthday. That's how I am. And that's the biggest fight, which actually ruined my um, um, year. Ruined my year.
I would slap you if you would say, like, I would give you a virtual thappad, like, shut up, you cry.
See, that's yeah. That's why you are here.
Okay.
What about you? Like a big fight or small fight?
I would say I won't say my friends are fake, but I never really get into fights with my friends. I have like big time arguments, but those are not like real fights. And when it's about my friends, like they don't know. I'm like I told you before, I am a good friend. So I will tell you what's right and I'll tell you what's wrong. If I feel something is wrong, then that is absolutely wrong for me, no matter how much right you want to make it. So it's basically like no matter what you say, what I say is right. So
I know.
But yes, I do agree. Yeah, what you know, yeah, huh? You know, okay, I know, because in your case you're always the wrong one, but I'm not always right. So I agree to the wrongs. Okay, that's like a tongue twister coming on its way. I agree to my wrongs only when I know the right person is telling me my wrong is wrong and not right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. I think we should just
let it go. I mean,